All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be the weekly recap ending on 4/15 of 2022. I have a big announcement coming to the crystal ball. All right, you've been asking for it. Decided I'm finally going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to release to all those that have purchased and or have purchased in the past the Einstein Formula. Let me tell you a little bit about that. This really is the final piece to the puzzle. And basically what I'm going to do is on March 5th, 2022 at 8 p.m., which is a Thursday night, I will be revealing and also be teaching and demonstrating my best kept secret. I call it the Einstein Formula. This is something that I learned from somebody over 30 years ago. He was a very successful trader. He did a lot, majority of his trades were very short-term, a lot of day trades. He also did some swing trades with it, all right? And I'm going to show you that. But this is the same formula y'all been watching me do every morning on the live show, where I'm able to predict any size price move with 70+% accuracy. And we're going to look at that, okay? And so what I mean by that is, let's say you want to trade gold and you're looking for a $2 gold. I will show you how to predict the next $2 gold move. Or let's say you want a $4 gold move. I'll show you how to predict the next $4 gold move. And they're all going to have the same accuracy. So it also works in stocks, also works in commodities. Right before I started this YouTube tonight, I went ahead and I ran Tesla, and I was looking at $5 moves, and I went back to March 1st of this year up to the present. This particular pattern had set up for the $5 move 44 times. 38 of them were profitable. That means it hit 86% of the time. I was able to predict a $5 move, all right? And this is before a reversal, all right? Before a reversal. You know how I trade. I get in. If I don't hit my target, I reverse. But it only reversed 14% of the time, all right? There's a lot of stuff you can do with this. This is really the final piece to the puzzle for you CB traders. You have it all. What you didn't have is being able to see where prices are going to go next. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're going to look at examples. And I'm going to let you give me examples. Tell me what stock you're looking at. Tell me what commodity you're looking at. Tell me what kind of move you're looking at. You're looking for a $2 move, $10 move? And I will show you exactly how it works. I will put it up on the charts, and I'll do my projections, and you'll see for yourself that what I'm telling you is the absolute truth. This is the cream of the crop. This is the best thing that I have, and I'm going to reveal it now to my CB traders. All right, so that's coming up on March 5th. Be looking for more details on that. Everybody will be getting an email. It is going to be an add-on. There is going to be a cost, but it's going to be a very small cost. In fact, the cost is what most of the people I know that actually trade it live, they're making it in a day. All right, so I could charge so much more money for this, but I'm going to go ahead and reveal it so I can have full transparency to my CB traders. And I'm going to give you the absolute best tools that you need and have and will continue to have as long as you decide to continue to trade. All right? So that's it. Be looking for that email. Let's get to it. Let's take a look at our stats for the week. All right, so here's a recap for this last week. It was obviously a short week because of the Easter holiday. So Nadex wasn't open Thursday night. They weren't open, of course, on Friday. And of course, we don't track stats on Wednesday. That's really kind of my day off. So we had a short week, but overall, not too bad. I've continued to stay with the U.S. yen. Even if you look at the U.S. yen, it was the weakest of the bunch, but still, we had some really nice setups overall. I'm going to continue now this week to stick with the Euro U.S. and stick with the U.S. yen. So that's going to be, once again, my two favorites, the Euro US and the U.S. yen. But you can see overall we average out pretty much where we need to be in about the 70-75% range, which is what I would expect. Remember, the best you're going to do over a long period of time is going to be somewhere in that 70-75% range. That's pretty much of the upper limit of what you can expect in terms of probability or predictability, because there is a factor of noise in the market that you cannot predict. Okay, so you just can't do it. So we're pretty much at the outer limits of what we can expect in terms of consistent predictability, right? In terms of percentages predictability. So that's it. Once again, this week I'm going to continue to focus on the US yen and the Euro US. Once again, be looking for that email. We'll be sending out that email regarding the Einstein Formula that's going to be released next month for our anybody that has the CB package. So they will get a special offer. If you have not purchased the CB package, I suggest you get it now before prices change. Prices are also going to be changing for the CB package next month. We're going to limit the amount of months that actually come with the package. So we're going to also be making some changes to the core package. So time to act is now. If you're thinking about getting in, this would be the time to do it. And if you go to our new website, just go to the products page. You can see what we have on display, what we have there. Some of those prices you may see may not be accurate, so they're still in the process of making some changes. So before you purchase anything, shoot us an email. We'll make sure we have the most accurate. We want to make sure that you get the going rate and not the new rate. So please send us an email if you'd like to purchase it, and we'll make sure that we get you the correct invoice. It may be corrected before you get on there, but if not, let's just make sure that we are giving you the most up-to-date prices before they change next month in May of 2022. All right, that's it. I wish everybody to have a great week. Make sure you join us in the morning. The morning show happens every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. It is free to non-subscribers. We will be looking at calling out different price levels and targets for the indices, indices and the commodities, and we'll be looking at some core trade-ups. Those are some of the core patterns that we use, and that also come with the core package. We'll be looking at those with the currencies. So that's it. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.